Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a future upload. And if you want to see how I got this look right here, then just keep watching.
Take what you want from me.
So I already primed my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and now I'm just going in with a neutral shadow just to set it.
Love is not fiction, but this time the story's about a king and a queen will pretend to be with paper crowns.
So first I'm just going in with some tape just to get a really sharp line at the end, and I'm taking the shade Desert Sands and blending this in my crease and above my crease. Then I'm going in with the shade Eden and I'm blending this in my crease as well. Then I'm taking the shade Blazing and I'm blending this directly in my crease.
Take what you want from me. I'll give you everything. All that and more you'll see. Just stay right here with me. Love is not fiction, but this time the story's about a king and a queen will pretend to be with paper crowns.
Then I'm taking the shade Saffron and I'm blending this on my outer corner and also in my crease. I'm going in with the shade Amethyst and I'm keeping this mainly on my outer corner and halfway into my crease. And what I'm doing with this shade is I'm packing it on with a smaller brush and then blending it out with a big fluffy brush so the color will build up gradually and then be as deep as you want it.
Love is not fiction, but this time the story's about a king and a queen will pretend to be with paper crowns. A king and a queen will pretend to be with paper crowns.
Then I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I'm putting this on my inner lid all the way to the center of my lid.
You don't wanna leave. I'm the one to keep. Got no enemies. Out of our fortress with paper ground.
And right next to where Amethyst ends, I'm going in with the shade Royal.
Take what you want from me. I'll give you everything.
In the center, I'm going in with the shade Blood Moon.
Just stay right here with me. Love is not fiction, but this time the story's about a king and a queen will pretend to be with paper crowns.
And then I'm using Twilight for the inner part of my lid. For my lower lash line, I'm going back in with the shade Amethyst. To highlight my brow bone and inner corner, I'm going in with Tassel from Colourpop. And for my bronzer, I'm going in with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil in the shade Medium Deep. Then I'm just curling my lashes, adding mascara, and then some false lashes.
Take what you want from me. I'll give you everything.
And for my blush, I'm going in with Justify My Love from Too Faced.
Just stay right here with me. Love is not fiction, but this time.
I'm just wiping away the powder from underneath my bronzer and on my nose. And then I'm going in with my MAC Fix Plus to set my face. And then the Aurora Glow Kit to highlight, and I'm using the purple shade called Spectra. And then for my lips, I'm going in with the Colourpop Luxe lipstick in the shade Cheetah.